Hello grade 10. So for today, I'm going to show you the way of graphing polynomial functions with these steps. Okay, so step 1, you have to get the factors given the polynomial function. Step 2, solve for the x-intercepts and its ordered pairs. And step 3, solve for the y-intercepts and its ordered pairs. Step 4, identify its companions. The companions are the points on the right, in between, and on the left side of your x-intercepts. Then step 5, plot the ordered pairs found in the x-intercept, y-intercepts, and companions from left to right. Okay, so let's apply the 5 steps in graphing a polynomial function. Okay, so our first example is x cubed plus 4x squared minus x minus 4. Okay, for our step 1, again, we have to get the factors first of this polynomial function. Applying the rational root theorem or different factoring strategies. So let's factor this one using the rational root theorem. So since 1 yung leading coefficient nito and negative 4 is the constant, therefore, on our corollary, diba, to the rational root theorem, so all our P over Q is the same as P. So that is positive and negative 1, positive and negative 2, positive and negative 4. Then, after you've determined all the possible rational roots, you have to use the synthetic division. So, let's test for positive 1. We have 1, 4, negative 1, and negative 4. So, bring down 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Negative 1 plus 5 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And negative 4 plus 4 is 0. Therefore, 1 is one of the root. Kapag sinulat natin yung root nito, since ang hinahanap natin is the factored form is x minus 1. Tama ba? Kasi this is x is equal to 1, so ibabalik lang natin si 1 dun sa kabila. So you have here x minus 1. So next, continue natin synthetic division. Let's test for a negative 1. So bring down 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. 5 plus negative 1 is 4. And 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. And 4 plus negative 4 is 0. Therefore, the negative 1, since nag-0 to, is one of the roots. Therefore, the written factored form is x plus 1. Diba? Kapag sinulat natin to as a factored form, that is x plus 1. Next, we now have our depressed polynomial. Paano natin isusulat to? Since nag-start ka dito by x cubed, diba? So, magiging x squared to. This one, magiging x na lang. So, that is 1x plus 4, or it can be written as x plus 4. Therefore, for our step 1, the factored form are x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 4. Okay. For our step 2, ano sabi natin sa step 2? Solve for the x-intercepts and its ordered pairs. Ang keynote natin kay x-intercept, the value of y is equal to 0. Or simply, the value of your constant, that is your x-intercept. Diba? Sorry. That is for y-intercept pala. Okay, step 2, solve for the x-intercept. So, meaning, lahat ng factored form natin, i-equate natin to 0. So, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, and x plus 4 is equal to 0. Bakit inequal natin siya kay 0? Because in step 2, we are letting y is equal to 0. So, x minus 1 is equal to 0, your x is equal to positive 1. So, our ordered pair here is positive 1, 0. Okay? Next, sa x plus 2, is equal to 0, that is x is equal to negative 2. And the ordered pair is, ang x mo negative 2, it can be written as negative 1 comma 0, ganito pala siya. Yan. Hindi bracket. So, negative 2, and your y is equal to 0. Next, x plus 4 is equal to 0. So, your x is equal to negative 4. So, the ordered pair is negative 4 comma 0. So, that is for the step 2. Yung finding all the x-intercepts. So, ito yun. And yung ordered pair niya, yung 1 comma 0, negative 2 comma 0, and negative 4 comma 0. Okay, next for the step 3. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa step 3 na y-intercept. So, for the y-intercept, we are letting x is equal to 0. Okay, so, if f of x or your function is equal to x cubed plus 4x squared minus x minus 4. So, lahat lang ng x, i-equate nyo to 0. So, that is 0 raised to 3 plus 4 times 0 raised to 2 minus 0 minus 4. 0 raised to 3 is 0. 0 raised to 2 is 0 times 4 is 0. Minus 0 minus 4. So, 0 plus 0 minus 0 minus 4, that is equal to negative 4. So, therefore, kung y natin is equal to negative 4, the ordered pair here is 0, negative 4. So, para hindi na kayo mag-solve ng ganito, you have to just identify the constant on your given polynomial function. So, ano yung constant natin dito? That is negative 4. So, automatic, that is your y-intercept. So, you just have to add x as 0. So, 0, negative 4. Nakuha? Lagi yun. Kung ano yung constant, siya yung value ng y mo when x is equal to 0. Next, step 4. So, step 4, sabi natin, we have to identify its companions. Bago natin ma-identify yung companions, i-plot muna natin yung ating x-intercepts and y-intercepts. So, let's do a graphing here. Okay, so we are going to plot all the points, all the ordered pairs that we have found in x-intercept and y-intercept. So, for the x-intercepts, 1, 0, negative 2, 0, and negative 4, 0. So, 1, 0 is located here. Next, ano ngayon? Negative 2, 0 is located here. And negative 4, 0 is located here. And our y-intercepts is 0, negative 4 is this one. Okay? So, for our step 4, ano yung mga companions natin dito? Ito yung mga points on the right side, in between, and on the left side. Baliktad pala. It should be on the left, in between, and on the right side. So, dito kay negative 4, ano ba yung nasa left side niya? Yung negative 5, that is one of the companion. Then, sa negative 4 and negative 2, yung nasa between niya is negative 3. Then, sa right side naman ni 1 is positive 2. So, now, yung mga companion na yun, gagamitin natin siya as our values for x. Again, negative 5, negative 3, and 2, ayun yung mga companions. So, if x is equal to negative 5, what will be the value of y? So, using our f of x, so that is equal to x cubed plus 4x squared minus x minus 4. So, we are going to substitute negative 5 to our f of x. So, that is negative 5 raised to 3 plus 4 times negative 5 raised to 2 minus negative 5 minus 4. Then, simplify. Negative 5 raised to 3 is negative 125. Negative 5 raised to 2 is 25 times 4 is 100. Negative times negative 5 is positive 5 minus 4. Negative 125 plus 100 is negative 25. Plus 5 is negative 20. Minus 4 is negative 24. Tama ba? Oh, I think so. Negative 125, negative 25, negative 20, minus 4, negative 24. Therefore, the ordered pair here, x is negative 5, and your y is negative 24. So, mamaya na natin siya i-plot. Kunin lang muna natin yung mga ordered pairs niya. Next, if x is negative 3, what will be the value of y? Negative 3. So, palitan lang natin. So, that is, continue ko dito. If x is equal to negative 3, so our f of x is equal to x cubed plus 4x squared minus x minus 4. So, that is negative 3 raised to 3 plus 4 times negative 3 raised to 2 minus 3 minus 4. So, negative 3 raised to 3, that is negative 27. Negative 3 raised to 2 is 9. Times 4 is 36. Minus 3 minus 4. Negative 27 plus 36, that is 9. Minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Minus 4 is 2. Therefore, the ordered pair here is negative 3, 2. And last one is if x is equal to 2. So, if x is equal to 2, so, f of x is equal to, direct ko na ha, 2 raised to 3 plus 4 times 2 raised to 2 minus 2 minus 4. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 raised to 2 is 4 times 4 is 16. Minus 2 minus 4. 8 plus 16 is 24, minus 2 is 22, minus 4 is 18. Therefore, the ordered pair here is 2, 18. Now, kapag nakakuha nyo na yung mga ordered pair, we can now plot these ordered pairs on our graphs. Okay, balik ko lang. Negative 5, negative 3, 2. Yan. So, ano ba yung mga ordered pair na yun? So, yun yung negative 5, negative 24. Yun yung nakuha natin on our companions. Okay, si negative 5, negative 24, nasa ganitong part siya. Diba? Kung i-continuous natin yung points natin. Next is negative 3, 2. Negative 3, ano yun? Positive 2. So, that is located here. And your last one is 2, 18. So, si 2, 18 is on this side. If we are going to continue our points. Then, from that, step 5, ano sabi natin sa step 5? Plot the ordered pairs found in the x-intercept, y-intercept, and the companions from left to right. So, dito na tayo mag-graphs. So, from left to right, yung ating pag-graphs natin. Yung pag-plot natin. Diba maganda kulay? So, I think, sige, ito na lang. So, from left to right, so, connect the dots lang yan. Okay. Pag-connectin lang lahat ng dots. And, yan, you now have the graphs of a polynomial function. So, this graph represents the p of x or the f of x is equal to x cubed plus x 4x squared minus x minus 4. So, that is how we graph of a polynomial function. So, para mag-gets nyo, ulitin nyo na lang yung video, balik-balikan nyo siya. Then, observing this one, since the degree of this polynomial is 3, the number of turning points is equal to n minus 1, di ba? So, kung ano yung degree mo, subtract ka lang ng 1, ayun yung bilang kung ilang beses siya liliko. 3 minus 1 is 2. So, ilang beses ba tayo lumiko sa ating graphs? So, we have 1 and 2. So, iyan yung turning points natin. We have 2. And with that, thank you for watching and finishing this video. And I will upload another video explaining the end behavior of a graph or determining the graphs without applying the 5 steps. Okay, so thank you for finishing and watching this video, and I hope you learned something.